Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today I am going to be saving in this book by Norelli's Budgets as our monthly savings games and challenges. All of these challenges are going to go towards my month ahead fund. So let me count my money and let's get started. So this month we're going to be saving 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I wasn't able to save a ton just in my normal regular cash stuffing, but in my reallocation video, I included this category and this got quite a decent amount of money. So if it weren't for that, we would have like $4 to play with today, which, you know, would still do, but it's definitely more fun to have a bit more money to play with. Okay, so I just roll and that tells us which challenge we're going to, and then I'm gonna roll here and we're gonna scratch off. I'm not sure where we left off exactly, but we're gonna scratch off this one. So someone asked if I could label these for like the categories that they're gonna be for my month ahead. That was kind of overwhelming to me. I'm not really sure if I did it well, but this one I guess is going towards power. So the thing is, like, I need to figure out like what exactly like my order is, because I want to do it as like a snowball method kind of. And I'm not quite sure which of my bills is the lowest. I know that rent is definitely the highest, but I don't know the exact order, but I guess it's okay. It doesn't really matter. 1, 2. So this one is going to be for gas. I usually spend about $25 a week on gas. 1, 2, 3, and that's if I'm just having a normal month where I don't really go outside of like, oh, that's 4 again. Okay. I don't really go outside of 1, work and like our little town here where we live. Like I'm not traveling anywhere. I'm just going to work, the grocery store, normal stuff, taking Aria to school and all that. I'm going to put one of these back and we'll grab this 5. Okay, we're going to challenge number 1 next. So challenge number 1 is going to be for our subscriptions. And again, like I can't even tell you like what amount I need to save in each one of these categories. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess that's something that I need to figure out, huh? I need to figure that out. How much do I actually pay in subscriptions each month? So this one's getting $5. Okay. Oh, challenge number 1 again. 1, 2. Okay, $2. 1, 2. So how do y'all do your month ahead? Give me some ideas, because like I said, I have not really thought through it as far as how I want to do it. So tell me what I should do. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of at a loss. Oh, let's do this 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, our next challenge that we're going to is, oh, challenge number 5 again. Okay, let's do this 2. Let's just go biggest to smallest. 1, 2. Okay, number 6. Let's roll and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Okay. Oh, so this one is power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, number 5 is internet. Number 4 is gas. Number 3 is groceries. Number 2 is rent. And number 1 is subscriptions. Okay, number 4. Oh, we're going to finish this one, guys. Okay, $2. 1 and 2. Okay, so not number 4 again. Number 3. Let's see what we just have the scratch offs left. So 1, 2, 3. $4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, let me know whose book should I get next? So this is by Norelli's Budgets. I know like several people have like really cute savings challenge books. So let me know in the comments if you have one that you would like me to use during this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will use it because this one I think saves $300. We are definitely going to need more than that to fully fund our month ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I would like to, you know, showcase different creators and all that. So, okay. Next challenge is, well, not number 4 because we finished that. Number 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. $6. Okay. We have 3 here. I'm just going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to steal $3 that were supposed to go back to the bank. Okay. There we go. So let's go through and see how much we saved in each category. So this first one is for subscriptions. Today we are adding, oh my gosh. Today we're adding 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, next challenge number 2, we didn't get to play, so we're gonna skip that one, but that one's going towards rent. Challenge number 3, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, this challenge we finished. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So I'm just gonna add a little post-it note here until I get like my actual binder where I'm gonna be putting my month ahead stuff. I'm just gonna write that we have $25 saved towards gas. So that's great. That's like a week's worth of gas, at least for me. Okay, this next challenge, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. All right, and this last challenge, that one is for the internet. This last challenge for power, we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. and we had 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So we have 41 with this challenge. Okay, y'all, and that is it for this little video, short and sweet, hopefully, with some monthly savings. So we will, I'm going to be saving up some money this month in our little future savings envelope, and at the end of the month we'll come back, we'll be in this book again. Give me your suggestions for other books that I should check out for you know, my monthly savings once we are done with this one. Okay, I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.